what's your favorite learning from Chanakya's life, like overall?
Okay. So I think I keep it very simple. I don't complicate it. So for me, my favorite learning is never fight a battle alone. Take some friends along.
Yeah,
So, never fight a battle. That means, life is full of challenges. And many times we want to solve the challenges all about I, me, myself. So I am the
hmm.
greatest warrior. I'm the
Hmm.
greatest thinker. And, if you really look at it, life has to be a wonderful journey. So why
Totally.
struggle alone, So
Yeah,
even if you are fighting an actual war, you require some allies and friends who will support you. So in
yeah.
life, I've been very fortunate to have great friends. In fact, I'll tell you, yes, you are also an ally because you are going to make me famous in your circle. So I say, if you want to do anything in particular way in any field,
Hmm.
have a model of collaboration. So I
Yeah.
believe that has actually helped me. I've got so many fans, so many people who are supporting me. I would have
Hmm.
never been successful if I didn't have this much support. And please
Yeah.
understand, it's not just about Chanakya. Of course,
Hmm.
Chanakya was a great person, but today, if I were to look at one principle as you asked, what has helped me is
Hmm.
just accept a collaborative method of success. So
Yeah.
I think this is exactly what a lot of people have written on Chanakya, spoken on Chanakya. So I'm not the unique guy. But I
Yeah.
said, no, I want to make sure that everybody joins me on my journey and I
Hmm.
join them in their journey. So if your journey is to be
Wow.
a YouTuber, I'll be happy to be part of. So that's,
Thanks a lot,
never fight a
Radha. That
battle
really means
alone.
a